Hi and welcome to the second section of Android styles and themes. In this section, we are going to talk about styles and themes in the Android. In this video, I am going to introduce styles and themes. First, we will learn what is a style and theme. Then, we will learn the importance of them. Next, we will learn about their features. And finally, we will explore platform predefined styles. A style is a collection of properties like height, padding, font color, or other UI properties. A style is an XML format and used for a single view. This is similar to CSS in web design. But what is theme? The theme is like the style, but it is applied to an entire activity or application. Why do we need them? Because it is necessary to separate view attributes from the layout definition, so it will be easier to maintain the project later. As you see in the top code snippet, there are lots of view properties in text view and we should repeat it in other text views too. But in the bottom approach, we just use a reference on text view to this style. With styles and themes, we can use inheritance. Also, we can define a theme for a specific version of Android. Customizing the widgets like button, text view, checkbox, or other widget is so easy. Android has lots of predefined collection of styles and themes, but be aware if you want to use them, you should replace all underscores with a period in style name. Let's explore the document in Android website. As you see here, there are lots of styles which you can use in your application. But be aware, you should replace all underscores with a period. In the constant section, you can find other information too, like API level version and brief description about this style.